Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So we are still very much in this range, we say. Bit of a rejection bar here, and this is on the daily, as you can see. So we had some buyers coming in, and yesterday was the first real indication that sellers may be taking control here. So there it is there on the 8 hour. You can see we've got a crossover brewing of the moving averages at the moment. So could be a case of this rolling, or it could just be a case of us mucking around inside a range. Hard to tell on the higher time frames at the moment, and you see on the 3 hour what I'm talking about: big down, big up, big down, big up, big down, big up, big down. So that is a range. There's no two ways about it, and that's not something I really want to get involved in. Uh, Even when you start drilling down through the lower time frames, there's absolutely no indication that it would be a wise thing to trade this. So you can see how we keep moving above and below the moving averages. And whenever you do that, we are range bound. You can see the oscillators just floating around as well. So all intents and purposes, the buyers are going to come in here somewhere and move up. But what typically happens is you get ambushed. So when you get ambushed, you think it's going to be the bottom of the range and you move up, but it actually breaks the downside. And what you do is you tend to hold that because you're frustrated because you haven't really been able to trade through the week, and it goes and hurts you properly. So that's why I typically stay well away from these ranges, especially when they're so vividly clear on an hour time frame. So yeah, that's kind of the short and sweet of it. I'm not interested in this. I'm not even actually going to try and look for levels on this one. All three indexes at the moment are completely confused, and Forex is just the same. So it's probably just worthwhile sitting back and doing something different. Come back and look at the charts on Monday morning. Anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing. Hope it helps you, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. No, we won't. Sorry, on Monday morning. Enjoy your weekend.